Okay, Wednesday, September 7th, about an hour into trading. Just wanted to give a morning SPY update here. We're kind of at a key little moment here in terms of what's going to happen next. You can see here price did start very green above the pre-market highs, which is the top of the blue line here, and then it didn't follow through. So that was the possible rejection. But in order to reject, you got to kind of take out the midway point of this first bar and really take out, the low of this bar to be heading down. And we came down for 2 bars and held the midpoint, and now we're starting up again. So at this point, we haven't broken through the highs and we haven't quite failed at the lows. So whatever this, wherever price action leads us here is kind of where this day is going to go. It is possible we come up and just touch these highs. If you really can't follow through here, again, this line is the red line is the line that starts the green week, given yesterday's open. So you want to see it head up there. So if we just kind of probe that area and kind of fail again on some kind of 2 down, I would anticipate us taking out the midpoint of the prior bar, then the low, and then heading down to the low and continue with that overall downtrend that I discussed in the opening video. But at the moment here, let's just see. I mean, I can't predict at this point what's going to happen. The up move looks good, but then we didn't follow through, so there was no real buy signal here. And the rejection, which looked like it might be happening, never really followed through either. Just to the point where you were comfortable, getting short. So we're at this moment of truth, kind of the way I see it here. And, so far the trend on the day is definitely up, but it doesn't mean at this exact moment, as we start to approach the high of this first bar, that either we're going to continue up here. Again, you could play this long on this breakout and then have a tight stop here. So that's one way to do it, and then see if we continue higher. Any rejection, though, kind of right in this area, I would immediately get out because, again, I still have a context to head lower here overall, and this could just be a little range developing kind of thing. So, but in terms of intraday price action, definitely up at the moment, and now here comes the breakout of the first bar. So this is really where I don't want to film for another 15 minutes, but maybe I can shoot another video within the next half hour or so and just kind of show you what happened. But definitely a buy signal here, uptrend, intact, and we'll just see, if now we kind of continue up to this red line, and then there were other red lines that I pointed out in the opening video higher to really turn the week up, which, again, we're pretty far from that. But let's just see what happens here on this attempt to really get the rally going today.